I wanted to show you guys what I have in my sink or on my sink. I know it's a big mess. This is everything I took with me to where I am now. Everything else I kept stored in NYC, but I did bring basically actually all of my skincare. So there's this, and then there's a huge bag under the sink. And the reason for that is I just felt like I need to encourage myself to finish using stuff up. And then also because my skincare, some of it's kind of expensive, that I don't like lose it or something doesn't happen to it. In terms of like what I'm using now, I have the Cora wash from that haul in my last vlog. As you saw, I got this for like, it was like $2. And this is the Time Revolution First Essence that I got from YesStyle for like $20. It did take like 2 months to ship, so keep that in mind. But I think that's partly because of what was going on. And then I also using the May Coupe Raw Sauce, which was also like $20. And I have been pretty pleased with this. Like, I layer both. I don't know if that's overkill, but I feel like the essence is really light and this is a little thicker, so it can kind of layer together. And I do feel like it's helped me keep my skin clear. Then I have all these like sample things I'm trying to use up. My M Cosmetics like Mood Enhancer, my Mamonde serum. I was gonna throw out this bottle, but I still have a little bit left of the Neogen Rose Water, which I think is fine. I mean, I wouldn't repurchase it. Sample size Sunday Riley. I depotted actually a bunch of body butters into this because it was kind of a nice, convenient, big cleanser. And then we have my, my Clarins products. I had a phase where I was like obsessed with their like Bust Beauty products, because they have like 3 total, and I did finish the anti-wrinkle one. I also have these, and I do think they're good. Okay, actually, to be honest, I don't notice any effect, so I'm just trying to finish them up because I've had them for a while. And then a Shiseido Emulsion Cream, and then this sunblock has been a huge favorite. I absolutely love it. It's so creamy, it's easy to get on, it's supposed to be safe. It is a chemical sunscreen, so keep that in mind. It's not physical, but I like that because it doesn't give me the white cast. Then using up this Clarins Night Cream. Then I am using also my Troy RIK face cushion, but I'm alternating that with my Etude House foundation. And to be honest, I have so many foundations I'm trying to use up still. So there's this. This is basically my big messy makeup bag. And then I have my Tarte blusher thing. Oh, this cream's been pretty good as well, the night serum. I alternate creams. I feel like it's better to switch up your skincare rather than use the same thing every day, so I will change that up. And this is basically the highlights of what is on my counter right now. I'm back from shopping at HomeGoods, which I highly recommend is the place you should go to if you need storage items. So as I mentioned, I am trying to figure out storage in my bathroom because it's a huge mess. So I'll show you what I got. First things first, I did get this OPI top coat because it was $3.99 at TJ Maxx, which I think is a pretty decent price for this. And here is the storage item I got. This was only $16.99 at HomeGoods, if you can believe it. It's such a good deal compared to what you normally find, and it's got 3 or 6 total drawers. It's pretty good quality. It's like solid acrylic. I love that you can see through it. I will show you how we transform all of this junk into I'm gonna put like face creams that I use at the top, so that way they're all nice and organized. Oh, I didn't show you this snail bee cream. I know I'm wearing gloves, might be a little overkill, but I want to clean this area up after. I'm gonna put my makeup. And we are done. done. I'm pretty happy with the results, so I will show you. Here is the after, and obviously this is my side of the sink, which was always the issue because I took up basically the entire sink. This is great. I love it because you can also put stuff on top, which is what I've done with some of the items that are too tall to put inside, as well as items I'm trying to finish up, like this concealer sample. And here's also a spray I use supposed to minimize the appearance of scars, which I don't know if that's real. Coconut oil, I use it, I mix it together with my body lotion just because I'm really just trying to finish it up. And then here is each drawer. So the top drawer, here's all my skincare creams and like daily use items I need to just remember, including my eye creams. Here is my makeup essentials, where it's like everything that I usually use on my face on a day-to-day basis. Blusher, eyeliner, like mascara, stuff I often forget, and then a ton of lip products. I'm actually wearing this right now in case you're curious. And then, okay, this drawer I could probably fill with more stuff, but this is just like my daily sunscreen and my Troy RK Cushion Foundation. Then here is some other lesser used skincare products like my Cold Plasma cream, my retinol eye cream from Olay, this resurfacing sample, oil that I have as well from Josie Maran. Also, I just painted my nails. I took the Ciate color in Amazing Gracie and then topped it with the top coat. And it's nice. I had to get a few layers to even get to this level of opacity. So it is a little bit thinner and lighter than I would like, but I think the effect's nice. Back to the tour. I fill up the top as well. I've got a dry shampoo. I've got another hair product I'm trying to finish up. So I filled up this drawer. This is now filled with some eye creams up top, including a few sample size ones, plus my Clé de Peau eye cream, my retinol from Vichy, this Double Rose Organics brand product, my Cold Plasma cream, a couple other moisturizers. Then below that, I have my Mamonde serum. I've got another eye cream here, more just for storage. I've got a scar cream here, and then I've got another Ovi Organics lip and eye cream. And then I've got this Bolsha Cactus Water Moisturizer. Kind of dried out because I kept it in the fridge. Alright. I'll also say, by the way, the top coat isn't the best. It like definitely takes a while to dry. I've had much better results with the Ciate Geo top coat, which dries basically instantly. Like just now, see, I've had this on for a while and it's still like nicked just now. So back to the products. This is sort of my extra lip products drawer, and as well as foundation. So I've got this really old Bourjois, I think, Healthy Mix foundation that was really trendy several years ago, and I like it. I just wish I'd used up more of it. My Etude House foundation. I've got Beauty Blender. I've got a bunch of lip products. You can zoom in here so you can see like a few Laneige ones, a few Tarte ones, as well as these like wine lipsticks by La Biota that I went crazy about a few years ago because they are really cute. See, it's like the wine tip comes off, and here's the actual color. And then if you take off the like lid, it's like a little blender that you can use, which is very convenient actually. All right, and then the one above it, as you saw last time, I put in my Troy RK cushion, and then I've got this face mask. I always forget to use face masks. For me, they're just not really worth it because I don't like doing extra steps. It's just something about having to put it on your face, then wait, then wash it off. It's a huge hassle to me. But once in a while, I'll try to remind myself to use it. And I got this in like a beauty box. And then this Drunk Elephant Glycolic serum. It's too strong for my skin personally. I barely ever use it, but since I have it, I'll try to finish it up. This Youth to People lotion, which I think I put argan oil with tea tree or peppermint oil, I think, in it actually, because sometimes if I get headaches, I find peppermint oil is the best. And then I've got this Avonay very plain cream sample that, again, I'm trying to get through. That is all for my little setup now, but I just love these drawers. And again, HomeGoods is definitely the place to go if you are looking for a lovely, cute little setup at a good price.